Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a whipping branch in Garden Game Roblox new Halloween event update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the whipping branch, you need to meet the dead tree first. This dead tree will appear every 4 hours, so you need to stand by every 4 hours and then talk to the dead trees, and you can select the show task. Okay, this one, and these are the tasks or the quests that we need to complete to get the whipping branch. We have 3 tasks, and as you can see, I have already completed 2 of them, so I only have one quest left. And don't worry guys, because you will have a lot of time to complete the task, because the dead tree will leave after 4 hours, and after the dead tree leave, it will be replaced by the witch. And yeah, all you need to do is just completing all the tasks to get the whipping branch. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get a whipping branch in Garden Game Roblox new Halloween event update part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.